Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Bright and welcoming dining room interior, featuring an earthy aesthetic. The scene showcases a large wooden dining table surrounded by stylish chairs, all set on a vibrant patterned rug. The walls are painted in warm orange tones, highlighted by natural light filtering through expansive glass doors that open to a lush garden. Emphasize the intricately woven wall hanging above the table, complemented by abundant greenery in the form of potted plants on either side. A wooden sideboard accentuates the room, displaying minimal decor items. A cozy dining room featuring a large rustic wooden table surrounded by 8 orange upholstered chairs, set against a backdrop of vintage wooden cabinets and textured walls. The scene is illuminated by natural light streaming in through an open door, revealing lush green plants outside. A large macrame wall hanging serves as a focal point, adding a bohemian touch. The floor is adorned with a rich, traditional rug that complements the earthy tones of the room. Cozy cafe exterior at dusk, featuring a warm, inviting atmosphere. The building has rich, exposed red brick walls, adorned with lush green plants cascading down from the upper edge. Large glass windows reveal an intimate interior setting with wooden tables and chairs, illuminated by soft yellow lighting. The scene includes decorative chalkboards on the wall displaying the menu, and bottles neatly arranged on shelves behind the counter. The color palette consists of earthy tones, with vibrant greens from the plants and warm browns from the wood. A spacious dining area featuring a large, round wooden table at the center, surrounded by plush, circular rattan chairs with soft white cushions. The setting is illuminated by warm, natural light streaming through expansive, multi-paned windows that frame a lush garden filled with vibrant greenery. The walls are adorned with textured brick, adding an earthy contrast to the space. A light, woven rug lies beneath the table, enhancing the cozy atmosphere. Overhead, elegant pendant lights made from natural materials hang, creating a harmonious blend with the organic elements of the room. Cozy dining room scene featuring a polished wooden table set with simple, elegant dishware, including black plates and transparent glasses. Overhead, 3 softly glowing pendant lights with ribbed glass shades hang, casting warm, inviting light. A delicate vase filled with dried flowers sits as a centerpiece, accompanied by subtle floral arrangements in the background. The setting is adorned with natural elements, including a branch with blossoms delicately arranged, and shelves displaying tasteful decor items. A cozy, inviting dining room interior, showcasing a blend of rustic and modern aesthetics. The scene is set with a dark green accent wall adorned with eclectic framed art and botanical prints, contributing to a serene atmosphere. Sunlight filters through large windows, illuminating a wooden dining table surrounded by simple yet elegant chairs. The table is set with candles, creating a warm ambience. Lush indoor plants in various pots surround the space, adding vibrant shades of green and bursts of color from flowering plants. A warm and inviting modern kitchen dining area featuring a long wooden table surrounded by rattan chairs. Above the table, two large woven pendant lights cast a soft glow. The walls are painted in neutral tones with large windows allowing natural light to flood the space, highlighting the green plants on the windowsills and the large potted ferns in the center of the table. The cabinetry is a mix of rustic wood and glass, displaying various elegant dishware. The floor is a gray stone tile, with a large woven jute rug underneath the table, creating a cozy atmosphere. A spacious, sunlit dining area featuring a rustic wooden dining table with a wide, natural finish set in the center. Surrounding the table are comfortable, woven chairs with light upholstery. Above the table, two large rattan pendant lights cast a warm, inviting glow. The room has large black framed windows that open to a lush green landscape, creating a seamless connection with the outdoors. The walls are painted in soft, neutral tones, enhancing the airy feel. On the table, a simple centerpiece of fresh greenery in a ceramic vase adds a touch of life. The kitchen area is visible in the background, showcasing open shelving with neatly arranged dishware and a sleek kitchen sink. A spacious dining area featuring a long, rustic wooden table with a natural finish, surrounded by plush, cream-colored, padded chairs with woven bases. The setting is bright and airy, characterized by large windows that allow soft, diffused natural light to stream in, creating a warm atmosphere. The room showcases an assortment of potted greenery and elegant dinnerware atop the table, with several textured ceramics and a central bowl filled with plants. The walls are adorned with large, arched mirrors that reflect the light and add depth. Spacious modern living room with large glass walls showcasing an outdoor scene filled with autumn foliage, characterized by warm golden light filtering in. A contemporary, minimalist design featuring a low-profile, white fabric sectional sofa, a natural wood coffee table, and a textured area rug in neutral tones. The dining area features a long wooden table with stylish chairs, surrounded by subtle decorative elements like a vase with dried flowers and modern artwork on the walls. Concrete pillars and ceiling contrast with the warm wood accents, creating a harmonious blend of textures. A cozy and inviting dining room featuring a large wooden table adorned with elegant tableware, surrounded by modern white chairs. The walls are painted in a soft gray, complementing the rich textures of the wooden accent wall behind the table, which showcases natural wood grain. Three woven pendant lights hang gracefully above the dining table, casting a warm glow. A clock and decorative wall art, including framed botanical prints, add aesthetic interest to the space. Vibrant green plants are strategically placed throughout, enhancing the fresh, natural ambience.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.